Pwede ko bang ilagay yung work experience ko as subcontractor? Baka makompromise yung pinsan ko na nag-hire sa akin. Let's create your resume. You don't necessarily have to divulge pa information na kagaya niyan, na may mako-compromise. Ganun din, actually, kahit hindi nga yung under the table yung outsourcing na naganap sa'yo. Halimbawa, meron kang client. Ako, nakalagay ko lang Upwork, pero hindi ko na inisa-isa lahat ng projects ko doon. Nilalagay ko na lang as a freelance, ganito yung position, tapos anong ginagawa ko doon, ano yung role ko, then the year. Now, one other thing that I want to bring up dito sa video na to, during your interviews, no negative impacting words. Meaning, not just with yourself, not just with other people, not just with your worst boss and all. If nalagay kayo sa position where you have to say something negative about yourself or other people, yung sandwich technique na ginagawa nila, positive, negative, positive. Ngayon, when it comes to your resume, kailangan ipakita doon is sino ka, what have you accomplished so far, and you don't necessarily have to have that as some sort of kaliit-liitang bagay, tiny little things, ilalagay mo pa doon. No. I want you to be able to convey kung ano nga ba yung tawa mo, particular company, and what I want you to focus on when you are creating your application book is what skill sets do you have? What experience do you have that will help the client's business? Laging ganun yung focus nyo. Laging yung sasagutin yung what's in it for me question ng inyong clients. You have to hit pain points. Now, you have to also remember different recruitment team or different people have different way of hiring. Even clients, may iba-iba silang hinahanap. So, what I feel is effective sa akin is something na hindi pwedeng effective sa lahat ng tao. I can only give you tips. Other thing na I want to address here is, when you accept subcontracting, i-check nyo yung contracts ninyo. So, even if it's akin hindi ako, I don't work usually with family or friends unless alam ko sa sarili ko that I am able to handle the pressure of working with a person. If I think na hindi magiging healthy yung relationship, I don't do it na. So, kaya I have to mention that because my question is, yung pagsasubcontract mo ba sa kanya, may kontrata ka? May proof ka ba na nag-work ka for her or him, yung pinsan mo? Kasi kung wala, baka mamaya biglang magkabuklatan ng records. Just in any case, you have to have proof that you've worked for this person. Yun lang. I hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!